we're actually introducing another car to the channel. Okay, so today we've actually got a really good mod. We're actually introducing another car to the channel. So we have two cars in here now. It's going to be featured every now and then. It's my friend's car. And we're doing an air filter, an intake like upgrade, like what I've got for his Volkswagen Polo. It's a 1.4 as well, but he hasn't got a turbo. But it's like, it's not too, it's his first car as well in it. So it's not like crazy fast, but it's alright for first car, it's not too bad. But we're going to get intake sorted out for the 1.4 FSI Polo. And yeah, we're going to also get some pipes. We've got a ram air intake already. And we're going to get it all, sort it all out, fit it all, get everything done. I haven't actually seen many upgrades on YouTube before as well for this engine. It's really weird. So this might be the first one. I'll show you exactly how to do it. It's not too hard. It's quite easy. And I'll leave links for the pipes, for the intake, for everything we use. Links will be down below. But yeah, I need to go meet my mate now. Get to his, get the pipe sorted out, get it all fitted, and let's see how it sounds. I'll do sounds before and after and everything. I'll sort everything out for it. It'll be sick, trust me. This upgrade's gonna be a mad one. Because right now his car has no sound at all. It's just like, he's just started modding it. So it's got no sound at all. But after this it'll be sounding good. But yeah, let's go to it. I'm gonna drive to him and we'll get started over there. I'll show you guys everything when I get to his. Okay, so we just picked up the parts for the air filter. So we've got the ram air intake here. We've got the Creation Motorsport pipe. It's a 63mm to 90mm and then 90mm aluminium joiner. You remember on my car. So what we're going to do is have all that, replacing all this at the front. So this can come out, that's can come off, and the pipe is going to go from here across to the sitting. So yeah, I'll show you how it's going to get fit together. Okay, so this is what the filter is going to look like when it's all put together, and that's going to be sitting on here like that, but like lower obviously. So to get that all filter out and sort all that out, and then yeah, get this installed. We'll do a rev before and after, so I can get a rev done. So to take the filter off, you just got to take off 5 screws, I think it was, on the top. You can see them all straightforward. 5 Phillips screws just to get the filter cover off. Now the top will come off. So you see here, I get the top off, it just unhooks, and then after that there's a pipe on the right that you want to just pull it off, that pipe, it just pulls off. The bottom half of the filter, you just got to keep pulling it and then just pull off. It's just these like little rubber pieces put into. Now the last part is just taking off these 2 screws that are in here. They're T20, they're just 2 straightforward screws, T20, take them 2 off and it'll all pull out. So you can see here, just give it a little wiggle, it comes straight out, and then the whole filter will come off together, all of it. So now you can see the throttle body is exposed at the top, there's nothing at the bottom, it's all open. Okay, so now we're going to fit this, and we're going to see if this needs cutting or not. It might need cutting, it might not fit, we'll see. Okay, so this is 63mm and that's 90mm. So that matches the throttle body size obviously. I'll leave links for everything down below as well. I'll take this off. Now this is the long part. It takes ages man to cut through it, I don't know why, because it's like reinforced as well, isn't it? But yeah. Okay, so we're going to cut through this about 3 lines down because it's too high on the throttle body. Let's just cut this then. Just need a hacksaw for it. Okay, so we've cut this, and that's the piece we took off. It's only like an inch and a bit probably we've taken off. And then this should fit now, so we can test fit it, and might have to cut off some more, you know. Let's hope this fits now. Can't really go too much lower, but that'll sit. We can angle it down a little bit, but it'll be like that. Okay, so this needs to go on now. It's still gonna be a tight fit again. There's meant to be a Jubilee kit connecting these 2, but we haven't got one, so we'll sort that out later. And there we go. Let's push it in enough. There. For now, just push it in quite a lot so it stays secure. But after, I'm gonna move it out so the creation bit stays. Showing. That's right, isn't it? Yeah, that's how you want it. That's literally perfect height. That's perfect. That's me. Just off it. The thing is, because your throttle body's here, you can't do too much. That's the issue. Unless you get like a pipe that like turns or some shit like that. That's the issue. Okay, so that's the air filter on. Everything's sorted out. Clamped there. There should be one there, but we haven't got one, so we can put that on later. And then clamp to hold that on. So we're gonna do a sound test now and see how it sounds. So good this is. Go on, let's hear the difference. just the bonnet down ones now as well, 1 second. Do you want full rev to 4K to your limiter? Okay, so the filter's all on. We're gonna go for a drive now, and I'll get you a few clips with the limiter off as well, because the limiter, you know, the 4K limiter, he has it as well. It's just a VW thing, but we're gonna show you some clips with the limiter off, and then we can go for a drive and see how it sounds under load. That sounds sick from inside as well, you know. Let's go for it. And that just sounds so sick. So windows up. Oh, let's do this. Okay, so windows down now. Oh damn, it sounds a lot deeper now. That sounds so much better. Okay, yeah, so you heard the car actually sounded a lot more like deeper. It's got much more of like a growling kind of sound to it. It sounds much better and aggressive. But we can also feel that the car's actually gone a bit like, it feels faster, but it might just be in our head, it might not be. But it feels like a bit more torquey as well. It feels a bit more like it's got a bit more torque and a lot more responsive. There's a lot like, it just, I don't know, there's something about it, it just feels like a lot more responsive. When you tap the throttle, it's a bit more there kind of thing. It's a bit more sporty feel, you can say. But it could just be in our heads as well, that it's just the sound and everything. But trust me, it sounds so much better, and it's just like 10 times, everything's just better about the car now, you see. And we even did a 0-60, and it turned out to be a bit quicker. Is it about, I'm not going to say how much quicker it was. If you guys want to see a 0-60, then let me know, I'll do a video on that as well. But yeah, it came out faster on the 0-60, so it must be faster then, I guess. But yeah. Okay, so the air filter, you guys heard it. Let me know what you guys think of it, how good it sounds. But I was thinking, let's do a quick rev battle between my car and my mate's car to see the difference. I'll obviously have the dump valve sounds, but we'll see how his sound as well. We'll see like together whatever you guys think. To be fair, for a naturally aspirated car, it actually sounds so good, you don't understand. It has a proper deep, it's actually a deeper growl than my car, and mine, that's because I got my turbo. And actually a really, really nice deep growl. So we'll do it now, we'll see which one's better. You guys comment down below as well which one you think is better. Okay, so this is the Polo, 1 second. Okay, now we'll check the Golf. Okay, so now we're going to do the Golf. Okay, so we're going to try one with the bonnet down as well. Do you want full rev to 4K to your limiter? Okay, so that is it then for today. We've done the full filter, everything's done, everything's sorted out. The car actually feels so sick. It's actually just changed, everything's changed in the car completely. If you have a Polo, I'd say to do this mod, 100% do this mod. It's only about £50–60 anyway altogether. Links for everything will be down below. Fitment's not too hard, it's just a bit fiddly. And yeah, let me know if you like this kind of content as well. I can do more on the Polo as well, so just let me know. But yeah, like, comment down below and subscribe. Thanks for watching.